Hey, have you been wondering how you can bulk download all of the photos and video that are on your iPhone very quick, very fast, and without using AirDrop? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, and that video is going to start right now. Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour and I do videos about photography and technology. Sometimes it's cool stuff, sometimes it's frustrating stuff, but hopefully to you it's new. So if it is, please hit that subscribe button if you want more content like this. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can hook up a cable to your phone and attach it to your Mac and get a download started that is quick and fast. This is going to show you how you can scrub through your photos and then also offload your photos if you want to from your iPhone. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through a setting on your phone to make sure that that is correct, and then we are going to connect your phone to the computer and we'll hop on the computer and I'll show you exactly how we can do this. Okay, from your phone, go ahead and go to settings, and we're going to need to scroll down. It's going to be a little ways. Just keep scrolling down to where you get to photos. Now we're going to scroll down to the very bottom of photos, and you see where it says transfer to Mac or PC. Mine is clicked on automatic. That's actually the default. We're going to go ahead and click on keep originals. The reason I'm doing this is because sometimes there's an error that pops up if you don't have keep originals checked. Okay, now that's all we have to do on the phone. Let's go ahead and connect our phone to a cable. Once you plug your phone in, you should see that your phone is starting to charge up in the top right hand corner. Then you should also get a message, trust this computer. The answer is yes, you want to trust the computer. So tap on trust, it'll ask for a password. Go ahead and enter your password. And now we have our phone connected to our computer. Something else that you might try if you're running into trouble trying to get your iPhone to connect to your computer and you're using a genuine Apple cable is to take the cable and rotate it. In other words, unplug it, rotate it 180 degrees, and plug it back in. That might actually help. I know it did with me. I don't know why, but apparently my cable has one side of it that is not connecting very well to the iPhone. So try that out along with updating to the new iOS. Make sure you update your iPhone before you try this, or you might spend an hour sitting there watching the little blue bar go across the screen like I did. Crazy. Now that I'm all updated, I'm going to go back down to applications and I'm going to open image capture. Now that I have image capture open, I need to unlock my iPhone, and now I have all of these different images available to me that are on my iPhone. Now you may notice that not all of the images, 1975 items is what I have here, but maybe I have more than that on my phone. The reason they're not all showing up here is because these are only images that are stored on the memory of your phone. And if you're using iCloud, it's more than likely that you have a bunch of images that are also being stored in iCloud. Let's say now that I want to download something from my phone. The first thing I'm going to do is go down to the bottom here where it says import to. You notice that it's picked up the folder for pictures. I can go ahead and I can tell it to import it anywhere that I want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download these videos that I just created on my iPhone. So I'm going to bring them over to my video drive, and then we're going to make a new folder and I'm going to call it download photos from iPhone. And that's the folder I'm going to choose. And then you notice down here at the bottom, it now has download folders from iPhone as the folder that these are going to go to. So the next thing I can do is I can click and highlight each individual photo or video that I want. If I want to do individuals, I can just do individuals. If I want to do a group, I can press the command button on the Mac, skip over this one and go to these, skip over this one, go to these, and so on. If I want to highlight all of these, I can use the shift button and come right down here and it'll highlight everything when I click on the top and then I hold shift down and click on the bottom. And of course, if you want to download everything, the easiest way to do it is just hit Command A. It will highlight all of the 1,975 photos or videos, whatever is on your phone there. The other way to do this, you want to download everything at once, is to click on Download All. Okay, I'm going back to just clicking on these videos that I just recently took. and I'm going to download them. You see that once those are downloaded, I have a green check here, which is great. I'll show you one other quick little feature here, and that is the ability to easily change which app opens when you connect your phone. So you're going to go over here to the right-hand corner of image capture, and you're going to click on the three little dots. You'll notice that I have Photos right now as the app. I personally don't want to use Photos because I like to just download my images or my videos, and I have my own file structure. Photos is really good for people that don't have their own file structure and they want Photos to do all the sorting for them, like put it in albums or put it in locations. That being the case, I can go ahead and change this to image capture so that the next time that I bring or connect my phone will automatically have my computer open up image capture. So that's how you can go ahead and download images straight from your iPhone using a cable to any Mac that you own. And in the meantime, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of content, and the bell notification will give you a notification once I have a new video out. Hopefully you're downloading lots of images and they're the ones that you want, and until I see you on the next video, keep it simple, my friend. Yeah! Wow, update galore. Hello? Hello? I must have a squirrel in the ceiling trying to get some nuts. Oh, did I say that? That's going nowhere fast. What is wrong with you, Sean?